it to the next level.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is SimplyKrystelle. So this is going to be my classic holiday makeup tutorial. I thought I would do a classic holiday makeup look with the classic red lip, and I did a regular matte wing, but then I also want to do this like glittery wing in my crease area. It's my first time ever doing something like this. The wings are definitely not perfect, but I really love how this looks. It's so simple, but yet it looks so beautiful and just very classy and very sparkly. So if you want to see this classic holiday makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. So my eyelids are already primed, and I'm going to start off with the ColourPop single eyeshadow in Sea Stars, and this is the only eyeshadow that I'm using. I'm just going to apply this all over my crease and my lid area. I'm just going all crazy with this shade. Now to do that glittery wing, I'm taking the e.l.f. Flirty Birdie liquid eyeshadow, and I'm taking a very flat brush to do this. This is my first time doing this wing, so I was very slow with it. I used two brushes, so I used a flat brush and I used an angled brush because I really wanted to be as precise as I could to create the wing. I used the Milk Hydro Grip Primer to prime my face, and now I'm taking my Hourglass Vanish Foundation Stick, and I am taking that and I'm going to use that as my foundation. I haven't used this foundation stick in such a long time, and I saw it in my drawer, and I was like, let me just use this. This is in the shade, I believe, Golden Almond. It is like a perfect shade for me. I'm going in with two concealers. I'm taking two of the Jouer High Essential Concealer. I'm taking two shades because like I don't have the perfect highlighting shade, so I mixed two shades of the concealer. Now I'm going to take my Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder, and I'm going to set the places of my face that I applied concealer. Now I'm taking one of my favorite powders ever, the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Powder, and I have mine in Deep 4. I just love this powder so much. It's just so fine and just makes my face look super smooth and just very even. I love this powder, and I'm just going with this and patting it onto my face. Sometimes I would swirl it, but I feel like I really wanted to press it into my skin, so I'm patting it in. Now to add some warmth into my skin, I'm taking the Essence Matte Bronzing Palette, and I'm taking the two bottom darker shades. These are a little bit more cool tones, so I guess you could say I kind of contoured my face a little bit. So I'm just taking that to just add some chisel and some warmth. Now this is where things kind of went bad. I'm taking this blush from the Jouer Bouquet d'Amour palette, and I think I went a little too heavy-handed with this blush. It's beautiful color, but I think I just put too much. But yeah, I took this blush and I think I messed up my face a little bit by using this color, like, or maybe just putting too much. Now I'm going to highlight my face with this beautiful highlighter. It's such a beautiful color, and yeah. To melt all of that in, I'm taking the Milani Make It Last setting mist and putting just everything together so it's not looking too powdery. So off camera, I added my black wing using my Revlon liquid liner. Now I'm going in with falsies. These are the Ardell Wispies. I think they're the number 110. I'll go check again. I'll put it in the description box, but I'm just applying these falsies. They were super easy to work with. These were actually the first time I did not have a problem applying falsies. And now I'm applying the Dior Show mascara in Pro Black. Now I'm smudging that shade Sandstorm on my lower lash line. Because of my skin tone, it's not really going to show up, but I just wanted to match what I put on my lids. Now I'm taking the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter in Prosecco Please to highlight my inner corners. To line my lips, I'm taking the Beauty Vault Lip Liner in Natty Nat. And then for liquid lipstick, I'm taking the Kaja Cushy Vibes lipstick in the shade 01 Satin Sheets. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you and your family a happy holidays. And please subscribe and give this video a like if you have not already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!